So first you will get your coffee filter and put it in the cap itself. Then you'll grab your Aeropress and connect the two. Make sure they are firmly tight so nothing gets through. Just like that. I will then pour in my coffee. I usually like to do 3 small scoops, which is about 3 tablespoons, just so it's evenly placed across the bottom. As you can see, there is a decent amount of coffee in there. Just shake it across to make sure it's evenly placed. And then I like to put it on top of my coffee mug. Next, I'm going to get my warm water kettle. If you do not have a hot water kettle, you can also do this with warming up water in the microwave for about 2 minutes, but be careful, it does get hot. I like to pour water so that all the grounds get wet and let it sit for about 5 seconds so the gases release. Then pour until you reach about halfway and let it settle again for about 5 seconds, just like that. Next, just fill the Aeropress all the way up to the top. And then you can get out your stir stick, or in this case, my knife, and just stir around the coffee and water to make sure it's evenly placed throughout. Then you'll grab your plunger, and be careful, sometimes it's a little tricky to get it in there. And then you want to squeeze and press all the way down until you get about halfway and let it sit for about 45 seconds. I'm not going to do that here, but I would suggest letting it sit and rest for about 45 seconds. And then you can finish off the press until all the gases come out and you get all the way to the bottom. So when you can no longer go, you should be finished. You will have a nice half a cup of coffee there. And if you'd like to top it off with some hot water, you certainly can. And that's the proper way to use an Aeropress.